local government load here using eScan, which makes the channel that you're on the priority. We've got the buttons here. The top side is going to give you your scan list. Now, if you accidentally hit that, well, I'm worried about buttons on the push to talk that change where the radio transmits. So this one, I'm doing a little a beta test. I think this is good. You check, see what's on your scan list from the mic, add or delete channels. So that's a good feature. Then I always like to put the monitor, which makes the little speaker, and that'll allow you to hear. If you got the green light coming on, you can't hear them. You hit that, you'll hear what that is, whether it's noise or co-channel or somebody that doesn't have the proper tone. And then the bottom side, I like to set to display. And normally I set that to bright, but with my video, that saturates the hell out of it. So we just go dim right now for tests. The star button is a safe place for talk around. You don't accidentally hit that for going direct. You see the little talk around, oops, the talk around guy right there. And then this will get you to your zone. So you want to go to zone 14. You're there. Let's say you want to go to channel 100 or the last channel in zone 14. Yeah, they have like roughly 100 channels. So I'm just going to go 110. And it looks like they do have that many and then some. It takes you to that channel. Then you can arrow up or down. My goodness, way too many channels in the zones. Which leads me to that's why the radios sometimes glitch, even with the max baud setting. With that, so with that, let me arrow over and go to zone 1. Enter. Back in the zone, we got scan on. The squelch has been preset. My menu is off on this, but we do have some menu items. This one has GPS, although this customer I don't think does. If you have GPS and it's turned on, you'll see the little satellite guy. Your squelch adjust is already set, but this is what I recommend for those of you that are having squelch problems, is go ahead and set it over there to the right side and then hit OK. What else do we have in here? Force power down. This version does have a timed power off option, and with that and the ignition turned off, the on-off button won't work. So that's what that's about. Zero eye keys will only hit that if you're like turning the radio in and you don't want your private encryption key to be somewhere else or out of your control. So don't push that button. Radio info gives you the info on the radio. And versions gives you the software and the firmware we're running here. Running some special firmware. I bought this this radio was built in 2011. Cloning, keypad programming, and that's about all we need for now. We're back to normal.